All right, good Monday morning, November 30th. Wow, December is right around the corner tomorrow. Futures have sold off since Sunday. They hit a high of 1098 on Sunday, right on the open, and traded down to 1084.50, sitting right in the middle of that range right now, 1090 to 1092 here with about 30 minutes to go to the open. So we had quite some fireworks over the Thanksgiving holiday. Um, Again, we sold off from 11:10 last Wednesday. Thursday morning, we hit a low of 1066, and then we rallied to 1097.50, as I just mentioned, and are now hanging around here. So the Dubai explosion in real estate, again, what are they, 60, 70, 80 billion in arrears? That's nothing. I mean, every one of our large 8 investment banks has at least that much on their books. So a little blip like that couldn't take the market down. It's going to have to be a bigger Asian bank or a bigger U.S. bank or a bigger Singapore bank, something like that, because 60, 80 billion in arrears, bad debt is not going to do it right now. It's the end of the season, and there's enough bidders in this market right now, as you can see. Showing you a 5-day chart here, it did not sell off. Gold did sell off. Everything sold off hard, as we suggested. Something was coming around the corner. Gold actually went from 1195, 6 all the way down to the. It sold off as much as I believe down to about the 10th, 1130. So it sold off about 6.5%. However, it is back to the 1170s here, and that's the January contract that we're looking at right here. If we bring up the big contract on the gold, excuse me, you'll see pretty clearly that we did sell off pretty significantly, but we have rallied back overnight on the gold futures, trading right now about 1174 or so. So that's where we are in gold. Again, not much is shaking here. We'll see what happens. Oil this morning is also, I want to just bring up the crude here real quick. Oil is trading around 75.81, so that's down about a quarter from the close on Friday. And everything's just kind of hanging in here. QM 75.80, same thing. BKX again closed down at $43.04. This to me is more compelling than anything. The banks continue to lag along with the Russell 2000 that we have talked about for a number of times. So looking at a 20-day chart of the banking index, and we've been as high as 45, let's call it, and as low as 41.40. So we've really been containerized in the banks. Not much is shaking there, good or bad, just really an indifferent market. And if you look on a daily chart, it really is starting to roll over. It made a low there around 41 maybe about a month ago, late October, and then rallied here to 45, a very weak rally, if you will, and can't get back over that 45 area, which was really the initial breakdown that we started in late December. That was kind of the breakdown spot, 45. We went from 45 to 17. So that's where we are. We're right back to kind of where we were last December, interestingly enough, on the banking index. The Dow Jones, kind of the same thing. We're just not doing a heck of a lot. So I would definitely give it some time here this morning. The trades, I would let some people fight it out here in the AM. No hurry for me and my money to be involved in this market. VIX got up to 25 on Friday, and the VIX is, to me, again, it looks like it has finally broken out. It tipped down there to the high 19s. 1977 was its tip. And then, boom, on Thursday, Friday, we get the action overnight from Dubai. So again, we went in the 20-day chart on VIX 32 down to 19, and now we're back to the middle of that range, which is again right around 24.77. So we'll see where that goes. Again, VIX has been just languishing. We need it to really spike over 30 and stay over 30, not just spike and drop like it did the last couple times. If you want to see some increase in volatility, which as a trader most do. So that's it. Again, everything is kind of just stagnant here this morning. We'll see which way they're going to take them. I'm not convinced they're going to take them down unless they get back under 1080 on the SPOOs. I'm not convinced they're going to take them up unless they get back over a new high, which is about 11.12. So as we sit here trading this morning on the SPOOs, right around 1090, excuse me, we're right in the middle of that range. We're basically 20 points from the high and 10 points from the low. Which way are we going to go? Let them prove it. And peace. Have a good trading day.